Yeah, that's right, Jessica. The superintendent says she knows this is not going to be easy for all families, but she says she has been talking with other districts and with public health, and she reached the conclusion that the start of school should involve remote learning because she thinks at this point in-person instruction just isn't possible.
Please give me 11 cupcakes, thank you.
Superintendent Denise Juneau says her recommendation for remote learning has a lot to do with data from Public Health Seattle-King County.
Everybody has to be wearing masks. Everybody should be social distancing. The reason that the virus is spiking is because not everybody's following that advice.
Today in a blog post, Public Health supported the superintendent's decision to begin the school year with online learning, noting that the county is seeing the highest volume of cases reported since early April, with an average of 157 cases per day over the last week. But the superintendent does acknowledge remote learning will have a significant impact on families.
We knew that as soon as this recommendation rolled out, number one question would be childcare. Number two is going to be around internet and access.
Elements of the superintendent's recommendation include training for all educators to ensure high-quality remote instruction, CHILDCARE Solutions, working with the City of Seattle and other community partners to develop community-generated ideas for childcare and learning at home, providing meal distribution throughout the city for any students and families with that need, and racial equity training for all educators. Making sure students receive the specialized services and tools they need for remote learning are all part of the superintendent's plan.
And the SPS Board of Directors will vote on the superintendent's recommendation. That's going to happen during a meeting on August 12th. Live in Seattle, Natalie Swaby, King 5 News.